Hello there, everyone. Welcome back to my crafting world. My name is Anna. I wanted to share with you really quickly a little something that I made that just doesn't require a tutorial. I cut 4 circles out of some 110-pound cardstock, and I glued them together. I decorated it, and then I glued a candlestick from the Dollar Tree down to at the bottom. And here we go. It's just a cute little cake stand. Very, very quick. This black trim is something that had been sent to me in a swap, and I hadn't used it much, so I thought this would be perfect. These were sent to me in a package actually 2 years ago it was a Halloween. Everything was sent to me except the paper and the actual candlestick. And this trim was also in a swap. So all I did was, like I said, I cut the circles. These are super, it's very strong, but it is for decorative purposes only because it is, paper, so you don't want to put anything greasy on there. But I put the trim around the rim of the cardstock, and then I glued this other white one on the top, and then I adhered all the little flat back gems on the top, and then I glued the larger ones on the bottom half, and I did use E6000 for the ones at the bottom. I used hot glue for the fabric ones, and then I used art glitter glue for the ones on the top. Guys, my little truck looks so cute on there. That way it elevates it a little bit, and it isn't like on, the tabletop to where it kind of gets hidden or something. But that I just thought looked so cute. I wanted something to elevate my truck, and this is what I came up with. I hope I have inspired you. This is so super quick to put together. Both these projects, super quick to put together. On the top of the cake stand, I did use my Cricut to cut it out just because I didn't feel like tracing and cutting, and this was a lot quicker, but all you have to do is get a plate, trace and cut, and then embellish it as you wish. But I thought this was really cute, quick, simple, and I love the way it turned out. Guys, like I said, this was really quick. I hope that you are inspired to try one because, it turns out really cute. All right, guys, I will talk to everyone later, and you all have a great day. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it.